Early evidence also suggests that this low-carb, high-fat diet may help treat certain cancers, Alzheimer's disease, and other health conditions. Still, higher quality research is still needed to determine the keto diet's long-term safety and effectiveness. The keto diet typically limits carbs to 20 to 50 grams per day. Healthy foods to eat on the keto diet. Meat and poultry. Fresh meat and poultry contain no carbs and are rich in B vitamins and several important minerals. They're also a great source of high-quality protein, which may help preserve muscle mass during a very low-carb diet. Meat and poultry are considered staple foods on the keto diet. Cheese. Just 1 ounce, 28 grams, of cheddar cheese provides 1 gram of carbs, 6 grams of protein, and a good amount of calcium. In addition, eating cheese regularly may help reduce the loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with aging. Cheese is high in saturated fat, but it hasn't been shown to increase your risk of heart disease. In fact, some studies suggest that it may help protect against this condition. Olive oil. Olive oil provides impressive benefits for your heart. Extra virgin olive oil is high in polyphenol antioxidants and plant compounds that further protect heart health by decreasing inflammation and improving artery function. Olive oil provides impressive benefits for your heart. High-fat veggies. Avocados and olives, while technically both fruits, are unique among vegetables in that they're fairly high in fat. They also contain fiber and are low in net carbs. Additionally, one study found that people who ate 1 avocado per day experienced improvements in heart health risk factors, including lower levels of LDL, bad cholesterol. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are healthy, high in fat, and low in carbs. Furthermore, nuts and seeds are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and naturally lower your calorie intake. Frequent nut intake is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, which may reduce your risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and keeping your arteries healthy. Dark chocolate and cocoa are delicious sources of antioxidants. Berries. Most fruits are too high in carbs to eat on the keto diet, but berries are an exception. Berries, particularly raspberries and strawberries, are low in carbs and high in fiber. While blackberries and blueberries are lower in carbs than some other fruits, they may not fit into strict keto diets. Peppers. Small hot peppers add spice to recipes, and jalapenos are ideal for making keto-friendly appetizers. You can use larger, mild peppers such as bell peppers and poblanos in numerous dishes, or stuff them to make flavorful low-carb main dishes. The keto diet may help with weight loss, blood sugar control, and other health goals. However, its low-carb and high-fat approach may seem overly restrictive, especially at first.